I do love coming here to Bread Street Kitchen. It would just be nice sometimes if I could have lunch with somebody. Ah,
Good to see you, bud.
Gordon, Ramsay, good to see you. Are you ready?
Yeah. Are we going all out? Are you just doing a salad, or are you keeping it?
I'm picking something from the new menu.
Right.
2 minutes?
Yes.
Well, 20 minutes, but in video editing terms.
Okay. Well, I'd appreciate if you move your. Yeah. I'm not waiting 20 minutes.
Chef,
How are you, Tom?
nice to meet you. I'm very well, thanks. Listen, I've got Gordon. I've got to cook for Gordon. So, what can we do?
Don't worry about it. I got the perfect dish for you.
Brilliant.
Now we get you all geared up, huh?
What exactly are we going to cook?
Today we'll do roast stone bass.
Yep. And you know what happens when you eat lots of mussels? Your muscles grow. You do.
That is the worst joke ever, like seriously. How do you call a fish without an eye?
Without an eye.
Fish.
How are you, Captain? Good to see you again.
See you.
Very good.
All good.
Sorry, chef.
Pick up, please.
Done. Thank you, chef. Gordon, here we go.
Okay.
So, stoned sea bass,
Right.
charred cauliflower, and curried mussels.
Wow. Great job. I mean, first of all, the skin nice and crispy, which is great. Nice
Yep.
colour on that. What I love to see. It smells fragrant, which is lovely. So, season-wise,
Yep.
a little bit too heavy on the salt,
Okay.
but the actual flavour, in terms of the rich tomato broth and mussels, delicious. And the fish is cooked beautifully. The only thing I'd change is maybe take a couple of the mussels out of the shell,
Okay.
so it's less awkward.
Okay.
And throw the mussels in the sauce.
That's a very good tip.
But no, apart from that, I think you've done a decent job.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Gordon.
Please.
Now, the quick thing is, because that, of course, is off your new menu, which is the fit menu, which is very, fitness is a big thing around the world, certainly here in Dubai as we get into the winter months as well. Tell me a little bit about the fit menu. What's inspired it?
Yeah, good question. I mean, first of all, it's an amazing place to train here in Dubai. I'm a big swimmer, a big diver. Keeping fit today is crucial, not just setting an example to customers, but also for longevity.
Yeah.
And so with a manic schedule,
Yeah.
traveling around the world, I never wanted to go on a diet. And so this book was about having a sort of fit, healthy lifestyle that allows you to indulge, train, and eat properly.
Well, you stayed in incredible shape, but of course you put a lot of effort into that. And you're here in Dubai, you say you're traveling around the world so much, but Bread Street Kitchen in Dubai, going well and always enjoying your time in Dubai as well?
Yeah, I mean, it's funny because I know Dubai exceptionally well, and I've been here since 2002. So when we opened up at the Creek for the first time, it was a dream. Now it's one of the most sought after cities anywhere in the world. So traveling the way I do, everybody wants to come and work in Dubai. So it's not slowing down.
And of course, next time you come, or every time you come from now on, I presume you'd like me to rustle you something up in the kitchen.
I'm not too sure about that entirely, but if that's the start, then trust me.
It can only get better.
It can only get better. It's good news.
Thank you very much, Gordon. Thank you for your time as well. We look forward to trying the new menu.
Excellent. Thank you so much for
Cheers.
coming.
Thank you very much.